Good morning, children. Myself Anil sir, and we are here at the e-learning platform of Sant Michael's Academy, Swami Vidya. This is my third video regarding English literature of class 8. Our first lesson, and the lesson is The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond. So first of all, we will see certain word meanings. Dispersed, moved in different directions. Polygons, people who behave violently in a group. Refuse, waste material. Here it is N. N stands for noun. So refuse, when used as a noun, it means waste material. If used as a verb, then refuse means to deny. So it is noun part here, used as a noun. So refuse means waste material. Mutter, M-U-T-T-E-R. Mutter means speak in a low voice. Plenty, it means enough, sufficient. Imminent, it means something unpleasant which is likely to happen. So these are certain word meanings. Now we will proceed further. So in this story we have seen that it is all about a bank, and the rumor had spread to such an extent that everybody is saying that the bank is going to collapse. And Nathu, and it all has started because Nathu, who is a super boy, he has not been paid his salary. He was not paid his salary over 2 months, and this fact was distorted and spoken in a different way to different people, and ultimately the rumor has spread everywhere that the bank is going to be bankrupt. And this news of bankruptcy of the bank is spread through the bazaars with the rapidity of forest fire. With the rapidity of forest fire. And then from the general store it traveled to the shop, to the pan seller, to the tailor, to fruit vendor, to jeweler, to the beggar, to each and every one. So everyone came to know, or everyone had the impression that the bank is going to collapse. In such a situation, those who had their bank accounts, those who were the customers of the banks, they all became panicked and they all wanted to withdraw their money on a particular day or on the same day. So it all happened that so many people, almost half of the city, they stood there, they went to the bank gate in the early morning with a view that they will withdraw all their amounts. In the meantime, there is one person whose relative was there in the bank as a bank clerk. So he decided to ascertain the facts regarding these happenings. So I am reading certain paragraph. Someone who had a relative working as a clerk in the bank decided to call him and get the facts. See the answer. I don't know anything about it, said the clerk, except that half the town is here trying to take their money out. Everybody seems to have gone mad. So the clerk is saying that I don't know about the rumors, but half of the town is there at the bank. There is a rumor that none of you has been paid. Again the question is put to the clerk that it is a rumor that you people have not been paid. So see the answer. When the clerks have had their salaries. So the clerk of the bank is saying that we have got our salaries. We would not be working otherwise. it may be that some of the part-time workers are getting paid late. So that clerk is responding that some part-time workers like that of Nathu are getting paid late, but it is not due to the shortage of money. Here the clerk is emphasizing that even if the part-time worker who have not been paid, it is not because of the shortage of money, it is just that the clerk who looks after their payment is on sick leave. It means that there was a clerk in charge of paying money to part-time workers, and that dealing clerk was on a sick leave. He was sick and he was not coming to bank, and due to that the part-time workers were not paid. Otherwise, rest of the workers were paid and there was sufficient money. There was no shortage of money. So the clerk is saying that such a rumor is bogus, such a rumor is fake. It is, and the fact is something different. But the crowd had gathered there at the bank, and in that crowd, see what happens in crowd. Everyone, those who are the genuine customers, they were in panic. They wanted to withdraw their money, no problem. But mischief makers means those who create problem unnecessarily. So mischief makers who did not have the paisa in the bank. It means such mischief makers, they were not the customers. They joined the crowd. They also joined the crowd and they started making troubles further. We want it now, we want our money now. Where is the owner? Where is Seth Govind Ram? They all were asking like that. Fetch Seth Govind Ram. Fetch Seth Govind Ram. We want all our money to be withdrawn money. In the meantime, manager is coming and he is saying that the bank had plenty of money, but still the customers or some mischief mongers, they say that no, we don't believe it, we want our money today. So in such a situation, the police is coming. So then the police arrived. They climbed the steps at the bank, pushed the crowd back until the people began falling over each other, and gradually everyone dispersed, shouting that they would be back in the morning. So in the meantime, police have come, and that police have controlled the mobs and assured that the money is there. So people dispersed there, saying that the next morning we are again coming with the same demand. In the meantime, the next morning, Nathu is coming there and he is seeing that there is a lot of refuse. Refuse is waste material. Refuse of, there was stone pelting, there was cracking of some grasses or etc. So all these and other rubbish things were there. So it was all waste material refuse. And that to see that he has to clean all the things, he becomes nervous. He's saying that it was bad enough being paid irregularly, now I must suffer an increase of work. She is worried about his increase of work. In the meantime, he is doing his work, doing the cleaning part. In the meantime, Sitaram is coming and saying that I have got a job for you. You will have to do this work because the bank is closing. Sitaram is saying the next morning to Nathu that I have managed a work for you at separate place and you should do the next work, new work because the bank is closing. Nathu is surprised, saying that he is asking, how can you say that bank is closing? who has said that bank has gone bankrupt. Sita Ram replies that the whole town is knowing this fact. Why don't you understand this? And hearing at this, Nathu becomes determined that today he will also get his money. He will also demand his money. He decides that today is his last day of working. He will get his money and leave this work after getting paid. But here he is bewildered. He is taken aback. He is surprised also that why a bank like this should collapse, or how a news about the collapse of the bank has come over the market. So with that, the story ends. So in the beginning, we see that Nathu is there as a dissatisfied boy because his money was not paid in time. And in the last, Nathu is determined to get his money, but he is also thinking that how such a thing of up to the collapse of the bank has happened. So in this way, the story ends. In the next video, we will do some question answers. Thank you.